pip uses incorrect cached package version, instead of the user-specified version. I need to install Psycop 2 version 2.4.1 specifically. I accidentally did. Instead of. That installs 2.4.4 instead of the earlier version. Now even after I pip uninstall Psycop 2 and attempt to reinstall with the correct version, it appears that pip is reusing the cache it downloaded the first time. How can I force pip to clear out its download cache and use the specific version I'm including in the command?
If using pip 6.0 or newer, try adding the no cache dir option, source. If using pip older than pip 6.0, upgrade it with pip install upip.
From documentation at this URL. Starting with version 6.0, pip provides an on by default cache which functions similarly to that of a web browser. While the cache is on by default and is designed to do the right thing by default, you can disable the cache and always access PyPI by utilizing the no cache dir option.
Pip can install a package ignoring the cache, like this.
Clear the cache directory where appropriate for your system. Linux and Unix. OS X. Windows. Update. With pip 20.1 or later, you can find the full path for your operating system easily by typing this in the command line. Example output on my Ubuntu installation.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.